Let's talk about Julian Bowen Coxmoor Solid Oak Square Dining Table, Oak. A solid oak square dining tabline, a durable oiled finish. A compact distinctive table that is perfect for small kitchen diners. A wide range of coordinating items are available in the Julian Bowen Coxmoor range, making it ideal for any home situation. Also coordinates with the Julian Bowen Hudson chairs. Simple self-assembly required. Dimensions DXWXH, 75 by 75 by 75 centimeters. This is a very nice table, looks better than it costs, and once constructed feels solid. But mine was supplied with 3 of the screws which hold the pre-constructed not self-assembly bit fallen out and loose. When I screwed them back in, they remained loose as they had been over-tightened in manufacture and stripped the wood. They were also the very cheaper wide pitch type of screw. Replacement with good quality similar size but closer pitch screws solved the problem, and my table is up and secure. This would be a 5-star product, but I have to knock 3 stars off due to the poor quality control on the pre-assembled screwed in leg support pieces, as someone less handy than myself would be left with an unusual product in the condition it was supplied. Great little table. Tip for you. When table arrives, take top out of box, leave top side of table face down on floor, put something heavy on top, books, and leave to get to room temp. This allows the table to dry out and stops it from bowing or warping. This takes about 23 days. Arrived in 24 hours, packaged really well. I buy a lot of furniture and this seems factory cut, so clean lines, great instructions, and easy to assemble under 30 mNTS. Easier if you use a spanner you own. Just to tighten it well. 0 wobbles. Perfect lines and heavy. Looks great. Ask me in 1 year on quality. But come in for this price. It's an easy decision.